Hey, I'm Jeff and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in Bimini, Bahamas. I'm gonna head to Fisherman's Village. The weather is definitely not looking too promising today, but I'm gonna show you what I can until the weather stops me. All right, my first stop is to get a coffee. I saw they had a place as soon as you come in, so I'm gonna go by. Looks like they serve Starbucks, so I'm gonna start the day with a coffee. Well, they only had iced coffees, which is actually my least favorite, but it was better than no coffee. So now let's take a walk through Fisherman's Village and look at the shops. All right, on my daily itinerary, it said one of the things, or a couple of things to try while here in Bimini is conch and sauce. So I guess I'm going to look for those two things while I'm walking around. All right, I ordered some conch. It also came with a dipping sauce and got a side of fries, just in case I don't like conch. Music's kind of loud, so I may have to do a voiceover for this experience. I'm gonna get this drink ready just in case. Come on, get out of here, fly. All right, here goes. Ooh, that's hot. A conch fritter. It is nicely fried. I'll give them that. Some type of mayo-based sauce. Looks pretty good though. But it sure does taste pretty good. But then again, that sauce tastes real good. You can put that on anything, it'll taste good. I think that's the conch there. Man, it's hot. There. I think that's the conch. Whatever that little white thing is. Get out of here, fly. Probably should have looked this up before I started eating it. I don't even know what conch is. Let me look. What is conch? So it looks like conch is a medium to large size sea snail. I guess I like sea snails because this is delicious. Definitely recommend, if you're in Bimini, to eat some conch fritters. All right, as you saw from the walkthrough, there's a couple of places to get some souvenirs, a couple of places to eat. They had a bar. It's kind of small all in all, but not a bad little place. More impressively though is the marina that's around it. So I've actually spent more time walking around the marina. They have a very nice Hilton here. Recently found out you can actually take a day trip from Miami to Bimini. There's a ferry that'll get you a round trip where you can do a one-day pass, or you can just get you a ferry ride over, stay as long as you want, and then catch your round trip back once you're ready. Yeah, just being honest, I'm already loving Bimini a lot better than what I enjoyed Coco Cay. Not a big fan of these fabricated cruise islands. All right, now I want to show you the free public beach. It's right here at the cruise port. It's just a short walk away, and it's completely free. They have food trucks available for food, but also you're close to the ship, so you can easily just walk back, get lunch, drinks, whatever you want. And it's a good alternative if you don't want to pay to go to the Bimini Beach Club. All right, so here's some food and drink options if you don't want to walk back to the ship. All right, let's take a look at the free beach.
Chase, hey, what they out